Let there be a spherically symmetric charge distribution with charge density varying as rho equal to rho naught into 5 by 4 minus r by capital R up to r equal to capital R, and rho is 0 for r greater than r. That means basically this is a spherical symmetrical shape, and this is the radius r, right? So there is charge density inside when r is less than r, only inside. Then that means outside q is 0. For r greater than 0, q is 0 basically. Now the electric field at a distance r from the origin is given by, now electric field we know that is given by kq by r square. If I talk about electric field at this point, right, at a distance r, so it will be kq by r square. Now q will be q inside this sphere, total q. So dq, let us assume that at any distance x, there is an elemental thickness of dx thickness, right? This is dx thickness. So what is the charge inside this? So dq will be given by 4 pi r square into dr. This is the volume of the shell which I have assumed, into rho. This will give me the charge basically, and if I keep the value of rho, this will be 4 pi r square into dr into of rho naught into 5 by 4 minus r by r, right? And I have to integrate it from 0 to small r, right? This is basically x. If I have taken this as at a distance x, and this is the thickness dx, so this will be x dx over here, this will be x by r, right? So this will be equal to what? Rho naught I can take common, 4 pi I can take common, this will be 5 by 4 x square dx, this is the integration 0 to r, minus x cube by r into dx from 0 to small r, right? So this will be rho naught into 4 pi 5 by 4 into r cube by 3, right? Because if you put values, you will get this, and this will be r raised to power 4 by 4r, right? So this will basically eventually give me, I can basically take this out as common, and if I put this entire thing, this is q in this formula, so E will be equal to kq by r square, or I can write it as k into rho naught into 4 pi, right, into r 5 by 12 minus r by 4r, right? Now I can take 4 as common as well, so I can write it as k into rho naught into pi r 5 by 3 minus r by r, right? So if I see the options, there is no mention of k. K is what? 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. So pi and pi will cancel out, so this will give me 1 upon 4 epsilon naught rho naught into r 5 by 3 minus r by r. So that means option B is correct.